Hi, today I want to give a small update related to my portfolio website that I am making in 3D. Let's start. So this is the website page. Here the basic details related to me are present along with my headshot image which will go here. Also a small mascot in the corner which looks at the cursor direction, navbar for quick access in website. This button have zoom effect when hover over them. Also a download resume button with continuous shadow shifting effect. This button directly take to the resume download page from where my resume can be viewed and downloaded. This website is completely scrollable, so that the pages can be viewed easily one by one. This consists of home page, about page, projects page, testimonial page, and a contact us form page. Take a deep look into the 3D designer window for this website. Here is the complete frame of the website and all the elements like heading, body, etc. in it. We can grab the screen using spacebar and move the screen using a mouse. The FEM for this website is very large as it has to contain so many pages in it. Here on right of screen is the properties pane for the elements and the environment of the scene. Here on the left of screen consist of all the elements used in the scene, and on top of screen more options to add new elements. As you can see, a lot of elements are used and more elements will be added for other pages. To organize properly, I have given specific names to the elements so that later confusion can be avoided. By clicking on this any elements, the properties of that element can be seen in properties pane and can be changed according to needs. Here small target-like symbols indicates that element have multiple states or an event attached to it. Thanks for watching. Soon we'll be back with more update on this project.